It's probably the one that looks, I mean, her face is very natural, really glowy. She has that coverage on, but you know, that makeup look is really natural, fresh looking, radiant. I'm not sure if I will do the red lip because I really like a red lip for her, or I will do the more peachy natural lip that she's wearing. For eyeshadow, I know that I will use this soft Glam palette from Beverly Hills, which is, I think it's perfect for this makeup look, like really natural, just pretty. I will use some of these, you know, transition shades, brown makeup with my priming serum. This is from Onomie. This is really hydrating and has some, how would you say, shimmering particles. And I'm actually enjoying using this in my daily makeup routine as well. I will also prime my eyes right now with the Marc Jacobs Undercover Perfecting Coconut Eye Primer. I have a sample of this, and this is how it looks like. So it's like a... It has a bit of color, but I'm not sure if it will correct, you know, the discoloration that I have. Yeah, it's a bit more transparent. Now for my face, I'm actually mixing 3 foundations, and that's because I'm trying to use these up, and they're all different colors, you know, for when I'm tanned, for when I'm a bit more pale. The consistency is quite similar for all these, so they mix together nicely. I'm trying not to buy new makeup products, and especially foundations, because I have so many foundations. I'm trying to use everything that I have right now. I don't think I bought anything like makeup related in the past 2-3 months. Now I will be using with my finger this peachy corrector from the Cinema Secrets Pro Corrector 5-in-1 palette, number 1. And I like to apply this with my finger a little bit in the beginning, just to warm up the product, since it's more like a creamy, harder creamy product. And this instantly just brightens my under eye. As a concealer, another creamy product, my Tarte Maracuja creaseless concealer. And again, I'm applying this with my finger in this area. I've been loving these creamy consistencies lately. Now I'm using a bit of my Match Stix in Amber from Fenty Beauty. And then I'm applying this with my Suqqu GSN 5 brush in here. And I'm just trying to clean this line. Now let me apply a little bit of translucent powder from Mercier. Now I will intensify a little bit that contour with my Senna Cosmetics Raw Umber shade. I decided to use this new bronzer from Anastasia Beverly Hills in Tawny. It's more like a reddish brown kind of color. Be very careful with this bronzer because it's super pigmented. I just touched my brush and I have a lot of product. I'll try to apply this lightly where I have my contour. As a highlighter, I have this. This is the Burberry highlighter in number 4 Rose Gold. I apply this with my Zoeva 134 brush. I'm actually so glad that I received this in my influencer box, because I wanted this for a long time. The duo has beautiful brows and they're always you know, really defined, but at the same time really natural and really full. So I will be using my 7 Days tinted eyebrow pen from Mercier, and I will basically try to make my eyebrows fuller, more defined. For my eyes, I will start with my Hot Quality J5523 brush and my Tempera eyeshadow. And I will try to apply this all over my eyelid. Then, using a little bit of burnt orange, I will softly define my crease. It's really soft. And then I will apply a little bit of my Burberry. This is a Fresh Glow highlighting pen. It's number 1. I will apply this a little bit just in my inner corners. And my eyes, I have a new mascara from Marc Jacobs again. I got this from Influencer. This is their Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara. So let's see. And now the last thing for my lips, I will use the Makeup Forever Liquid Lipstick in 103. Touch of my highlighting pen in the center.